In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strava for swimming. Strava can track swimming workouts, but it works a little differently than it does for activities like running or cycling. The main reason is that swimming can happen either in a pool or in open water, and each option is recorded in a different way. Once you understand that difference, getting started becomes much easier. If you want to use Strava for pool swimming, begin by opening the Strava app or using a compatible swim watch. From there, select swim as your activity type. If you're using a swim watch, make sure to enter your pool length before you begin. This is important because the watch uses that setting to calculate your distance and laps correctly. For example, your pool might be 25 meters or 50 meters long, so double check that before starting. Once everything is set up, go ahead and start your swim workout. Swim as you normally would, and when you're finished, end the session and save the activity. After that, the workout will sync to Strava. When it appears in your account, you'll typically see useful details like your distance, total time, pace, and, depending on the device you used, your lap count as well. That gives you a clear summary of how your session went and makes it easier to track progress over time. If you're swimming in open water, the process is slightly different. Open Strava or your GPS swim watch and choose swim as the activity. Before you get into the water, start recording. That timing matters because open water swims rely on GPS, so the device needs to begin tracking from the start. Then complete your swim normally and save the activity afterward. One of the advantages of open water swimming in Strava is that your workout will usually include a route map. Since GPS is being used, you'll be able to see the path you took in the water along with your activity stats. For the best overall swimming experience, many people use a swim-capable watch that syncs with Strava. Devices in lines like Garmin Forerunner, Garmin Phoenix, Polar Vantage, and Suunto are commonly used for this because they're built to handle swim tracking more reliably than a phone alone. It's also worth knowing what happens if you try to use only the Strava phone app. For pool swims, phone-only tracking is generally not very accurate. For open water swims, it is possible to record with just the phone, but GPS accuracy can vary, so your results may not always be consistent. That's how to use Strava for swimming, whether you're in the pool or out in open water.